One of the biggest mistakes I see realtors make isn't hiring the wrong real estate media company. It's buying the wrong marketing services. I can't tell you how many times we've been asked, do I really need drone photos? What's Matterport 3D? Is video actually worth it? What's the difference between the options you have? If you've ever wondered those same things, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down every major marketing tool a professional real estate media company offers, what each one actually does, and more importantly, when it's actually worth your money. Because not every listing needs every service. Before we dive in, there's one thing I want you to understand. There isn't a perfect marketing package. Every property is different, every seller has different goals, every agent has a different marketing strategy. $1 million waterfront home shouldn't be marketed the same way as a $250,000 investment property. The goal isn't to buy every service. The goal is to choose the right marketing tools for that specific property. Let's start with the foundation. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here because most people already understand why professional photography matters. Every listing should have it. Photos are still the foundation of every listing and the first impression buyers have online. The real question begins after photography. Should you add video, drone, floor plans, Matterport, Twilight? Let's start with video. Before we talk about the different styles of video, I want to share one opinion that surprises a lot of people. Video doesn't sell homes. Homes sell homes. A great home that's priced correctly with professional photography is going to attract buyers. So what's the video actually for? It enhances the marketing. It helps buyers better understand a property. It tells a story of the home. And maybe, most importantly, it markets you as the real estate professional. When people ask if they need a video, they're usually talking about one of two styles: a walkthrough or a cinematic video. They may look similar, but they're designed for completely different purposes. A walkthrough video is designed to educate. Its job is to help buyers understand the home. It shows how rooms connect, how the layout flows, and what it's actually like to move through the property. These are especially valuable for relocation buyers, investors, or anyone making a buying decision before seeing the home in person. If your goal is helping buyers understand the property, I'd recommend a walkthrough video. A cinematic video has a different purpose. It's designed to create emotion. Instead of explaining the layout, it tells a story of the property through movement, music, lighting, and editing. It helps buyers imagine what it would feel like to live there. These work especially well for luxury homes, custom homes, waterfront properties, and builder marketing. If your goal is helping buyers experience the home, I'd recommend a cinematic video. One quick clarification before we move on. Video style and video format are two different things. Walkthrough and cinematic describe the style. Horizontal and vertical describe the format. Horizontal is typically used for MLS, your website, and YouTube. Vertical is designed for Instagram, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Most of our clients use both. It's the same story, just optimized for wherever people are viewing it. Now let's head outside. Drone media serves one primary purpose: perspective. It helps buyers understand everything around the property, not just the property itself. If the lot has views, acreage, waterfront, golf course, or neighborhood, this is what makes the property special. Drone media helps tell that story. Depending on the property, that may include drone photography, drone video, or both. Would I recommend drone for every listing? No. If the surroundings don't add value, I'd probably skip it. If the location is part of the story, drone media can be one of the most valuable additions to your marketing. The next marketing tool is one that, in my opinion, has become one of the most valuable investments you can make: floor plans. Photos show buyers what each room looks like. A floor plan shows them how the entire home works. It helps buyers understand the layout before they ever schedule a showing. Personally, outside of professional photography, this is one of the first upgrades I'd recommend for almost every listing. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly useful. Matterport. If a floor plan helps buyers understand the layout, Matterport lets them explore it. The easiest way to think about Matterport is as a self-guided virtual walkthrough. Instead of following a video, buyers move through the home themselves. They control where they go, how long they stay, and what they look at. It's especially valuable for relocation buyers, luxury homes, commercial real estate, and new construction. Does every listing need Matterport? I don't think so. But for the right property, it can be an incredibly valuable marketing tool. One question we get all the time is, what's the difference between Matterport and Zillow 3D? We'll answer that in a dedicated video because it's one of the biggest questions in the industry. The final marketing tool I want to cover is Twilight Media. Its purpose is simple: presentation. It's designed to make a listing stand out. True Twilight photography can create incredible marketing for homes with beautiful architecture, outdoor living spaces, pool, or landscape lighting. But for many listings, I actually recommend virtual twilights. It transforms a daytime exterior photo into a realistic twilight image. The best way to use this is the cover photo for your listing. When buyers are scrolling through dozens of homes online, that first image matters. A great twilight cover image can help your listing stand out before a buyer ever clicks on it. So today we've covered a lot: professional photography, video, drone media, floor plans, Matterport, and Twilight Media. Hopefully one thing has become clear: there isn't one perfect marketing package. Every property is different. The goal isn't to buy every marketing service available. It's to choose the right marketing tools to tell the story of that specific property. I hope this video has helped you better understand what professional real estate media companies offer and when those services actually make sense.